Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to check your Instagram story. Let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click the three horizontal lines and go to your activity. Here, you'll find all your activities including your likes, comments, tags, sticker responses, and reviews. So if you want to see all the posts and reels that you've ever liked, just click likes, and you may also sort it by recency, date, and you may even input the date range, and you may also sort it or filter it by author. And the same goes for comments, tags, and other interactions. You can also easily find removed and archived content, including your recently deleted posts, and archived content like posts, reels, and highlights. Then, you can also explore suggested content, and in here you will see posts that you have marked as not interested or interested. And then you may also check your average time spent on Instagram. Just click on time spent, and you may also manage your time. And then under account history, you can review the changes that you have made to your account, such as website updates or changes to your bio. And feel free to filter your activity by time spent, and then discover your recent searches and easily clear them if needed. You can also view all the links that you've visited in the past. And when you scroll down at the bottom of your activity, you will see download your information. And by clicking this, you will be able to request the download of everything that's in your account history. So just follow these steps that I'm showing you right now, and then choose your Instagram account. And you can choose whether you want a complete copy or just select types of information. So for this one, I'm selecting a complete copy and then submit request. If your information is ready to download, you will easily find them at this same page. And that's how you can check your Instagram history. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!